Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So if you've already seen your first note, is it a B flat? Then you should be working on page 4 of Standard of Excellence. If you're working on the F, then you should be on page 5 of Standard of Excellence. This is page 5, starting with number 1, called the first note, which is our F, a whole note, 4 beats, and we're going to feel the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the end of the song. The next note takes us to E flat. We'll bring our slide out to here. This is a whole step lower. F, E flat. A whole step lower. That finishes up that song. Round to T for 2, song number 3. Back to the F, switch all the way back in. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.